Here we go, people. It's coming up to the little garage now. Oh, look! Oh, it's got a... Marvellous. Oh, right, guys. So we are back. I'm just back at the little yard. I'll explain about this yard at some point in another video. I'll tell you what this is all about. So it's just another little update on the new place. See, last time I was here, the weather was not like this. We were here putting the wheels on the 330D E92, which is where that car now is, and it was supposed to transition from the end of that. There was an Audi A6 Avant sitting here, and it was supposed to transition to go to the new place. And I sort of changed the ending of the last video, as you saw. So before I do that, just quickly, randomly, I bought, I don't know why, I bought a Seat Leon Estate 4-wheel drive Experience, which is, it's like a good looking Skoda Yeti, really, but I actually quite like the Skoda Yetis in certain specs and certain colours, but I don't know, I just thought I'd let you know. But this car here, I bought this E90 as well. As you know, I love BMs, and this E90 came along. Now, to me, that's a cool little car as well. So it's a 325, it's got the 3 litre in it. It's done a few more miles, done 107, and obviously, as you can see, it's in a right mess. But they all are, they always are. You know, you have to look a little bit further than just the potential exterior condition of a car, owner's service history, and there's a lot more that comes into it when you're buying a car. But look at it's also got, it's got Kiwi leather. Look at the Kiwi leather. But I just want to quickly ask you guys, I've got to do the wheels on this car. Sapphire black, so it's metallic black. It's got the privacy. I'm actually planning on doing the wheels on this gloss black. Now, that might say, do you know what? Let me move it out a minute, hold on. So there it is. So I've asked Side, a wheel guy. He thinks I should leave them silver because he thinks it needs to stay stock. But at the moment, black wheels are getting really appealing. A black with black and black, as in the privacy glass, the colour of the car and the wheel, it's doing really well at the moment. Now I know potentially on this car, it might not work because it might attract the boy racer type, but I don't know if it will anymore. I know like real lumpy stuff, Ranges, Lambos, that sort. I know they do really well with sort of black wheels, black cars. But I don't know. I just let me know let me know what you guys reckon on black wheels. Right, I've digressed. So as I was saying, so the last video was supposed to end and transition like this. I'll put this on now. Just had an MOT that's done, so that'll be ready to go when they come back. That'll look mega. The A6 Avant Black Edition, that's sold as well. Now got to take that for MOT. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll take that for an MOT, and then after we'll go and have a look at the garage. See how the garage is getting on, because I think the windows and doors are in now. So yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll see you in a bit. Well, here we go, people. Coming up to the little garage now. Oh, look! Oh, it's got a painted bit. Oh, look, it's got new doors. Check that out. Let's get this out. Oh, I know. Wow. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? What do you reckon? So I think the roller shutter's coming in a couple of weeks. So that'll be that bit done. Then we can get that painted. God, it does look better, doesn't it? It looks a bit cleaner. The Audi looks rude sitting there. Check that out. Got a shiny door. That's the colour we went for. What do you think, people? It's coming along. Seriously, got to get this forecourt sorted out, which we will in a good time. Oh, that's exciting. So that's it. That's the colour that we've gone for. It's like I mean, it's grey. A lot of you guys have said grey. It's a grey with like a hint of, it's almost like a hint of purple in it almost. So the plan is, magpie. So the plan is, so as you've seen the doors to the workshop and the sales office, the colour of them doors, the roller shutter is going to be the same colour as the two doors. So the roller shutter on the front of the workshop will be like an anthracite colour, same colour as the doors. And then I plan on painting the fence the same sort of colour as the doors, maybe a tiny little bit lighter. So the fence sort of is grey, into the building, anthracite door, round anthracite door, then grey building, then back to the fence. That's the plan. That's the plan that it's going so far. But that's how it looks for this video. Let me know what you guys think of it. I mean, I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really cool. But for now, I'll leave you there. Just I'm still looking at this. I'm still looking at this car. Do you know what? Look down the side of this car. Hold on. I don't think it's ever been painted, this car. When whoever mopped this car is a very good example of how not to mop a car. Good lord, it's horrific. But like the side of it, I don't think it's ever been painted. It's so straight. You can tell when a car's been painted. I mean, I know this is quite an old car now, but look at the side of it. It's completely straight. No heavy repaints. When a car's been repainted, most of the time it goes a bit sort of wavy. It's a cool car. So thanks for watching this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.